Franklin, thank you. Well, believe it or not, and I can't believe it as a matter of fact, January is almost over. And it means we are inching closer to Valentine's Day and celebrating with your significant other. But how do you know if you found your soulmate? I think a lot of us, especially when we were younger, conjured up visions of what that means. But have you heard of the term cellmate? Joining us to talk a little bit about soulmates and cellmates is Michele Landers, a certified life coach and hypnotherapist. Nice to have you with us.
I'm so glad to be here, Roxanne.
I think you just hit the nail right on the head. What are the symptoms of a soulmate and what are the symptoms of a cellmate?
Well, it's really interesting because a soulmate, we kind of conjure up visions of these two people just meant to be with each other and swimming or navigating through the waters of life as synchronized swimmers, just so beautiful. And cellmates, polar opposites.
But I say symptoms in all sincerity because you've got to have certain things that indicate you've got a soulmate, and there's certain things that happen that indicate you've got a cellmate. Just highlight one in each category or two in each category.
Well, soulmates, you really listen to one another and you pay attention to what the other person is saying. You're concerned. You're very concerned about the relationship. It's not all about me, me, me. Cellmates, long periods of deafening silence. You kind of live your own separate life. Biting remarks, sarcastic remarks. Those are the symptoms of a cellmate.
So what are the signs then, besides that the person you're with and think that you're a soulmate to, you might want to kind of steer away from, that they might be turning into a cellmate? And that can happen too, can it?
Well, absolutely it can, because sometimes, we go into a relationship with this not really clear vision, we kind of project onto the other person what we really want. But this is where it changes, because in all relationships, I have to say, what you do, it's a mirror of yourself. That's our learning ground are relationships. So whatever you are feeling about yourself is what you're going to project in the other person.
We are out of time. I'm still going to ask you a real quick question. It happens over and over and over again. You got to look at yourself?
All the time. That's the answer.
Right.
The answer is within yourself.
Got a new book? Quick title?
Oh, I love you. The Year of Living Miraculously, Amazon.
On Amazon. Thanks, Michele.
Thanks
nice
so
to have you
much.
with
It
us.
was great to be with you.